easy it is to create a data product with TrueSource. I will create a data product about New York City subway stations. I'm uploading a CSV file with subway stations, which I took from the website from City of New York. I'm entering a product name, a table name, and creating a product. That's it. Our product is almost ready. We already have all the filters defined and data has been uploaded. So what I'm doing in the table view, I'm removing a couple of unnecessary columns. I'm also removing a couple of unnecessary filters and adding banner. On a card view, I'm also changing the title to display station name and removing few unnecessary columns. On the banner section, I'm actually uploading a banner image to make it a little bit more to make it look a little bit more prettier, like this. And that's it. We hit publish button, and less than a minute we have a data product about New York City subway stations. If you can see, I can see all the stations. I can filter by map or filter by line. So I just filtered by line, and I can filter by map. And I can click on any of the subway stations and look at small detailed view about the subway stations. Thank you.